Want to know how to create a new project in Audacity or any audio editor? So in this video, I'm going to work with Audacity, and since we had made a video on how to install Audacity on your desktop, so make sure to watch it as well. So we are moving through Audacity from the really basics. So let's get right into it. So in this audio Audacity right here, there is no option of really creating a new file. So if you're already on a default in another demo file and stop free, then simply hit towards file right here and then select new right here. Once you selected it, your new project should open up like this, but by default it should look something like this, all green. So if you want to import stuff, just simply select file right here, and once you selected file here, you should be seeing import. Just simply select import and then select audio, labels and whatever that you like, and you can just simply add it right here. Just simply double select it and you should be good to go, just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.